Imagine a world on the cusp of change, where tradition clashes with innovation. This is the world where modernization theory takes root, grappling with shifts from industrialization and the rise of the West. Born after World War II, modernization theory sought to explain these transformations. It offered a lens to view the evolution of societies from traditional structures to modern systems. At its core, modernization theory posits that societies progress through distinct stages, with Western societies as the prime example. This theory carried profound implications for understanding development and the relationship between the West and the rest. It suggested a roadmap for progress, one that many non-Western nations felt compelled to follow. But like any roadmap, the path of modernization is not without its twists and turns. It presents both opportunities and challenges, promises and pitfalls. The story of modernization is about reshaping societies, transforming economies and evolving human interaction. So, let us embark on this journey of discovery, exploring the complexities of modernization and its profound impact on our world. Sociologists Antony Giddens and Mike Featherstone provided a framework for understanding modernization. They identified 4 key elements: capitalism, industrialism, surveillance, and military power. Capitalism, with its emphasis on free markets and individual enterprise, fuels economic growth and drives innovation. Industrialism transforms production processes, ushering in an era of mass production and mechanization. It reshapes the landscape, drawing people from rural areas to urban centers in search of new opportunities. Surveillance, often overlooked, emerges as a defining feature of modern societies. The rise of bureaucratic institutions and the need for control lead to sophisticated systems of monitoring and data collection. Finally, military power underpins the global reach of modern nations. Technological advancements in weaponry and powerful military institutions allow modern states to project their influence far beyond their borders. These 4 elements offer a glimpse into the transformative power of modernization. They highlight the complexities and contradictions inherent in this process, paving the way for a deeper understanding of its impact on societies worldwide. While modernization theory initially focused on the West, its reach extends far beyond Europe and North America. It provides a framework for understanding how societies around the globe grapple with change and adapt to challenges. Different societies, with their unique histories, cultures, and social structures, navigate modernization in their own way. Some embrace it wholeheartedly, seeking to emulate Western models of development. Others adopt a more cautious approach, selectively integrating elements of modernity while preserving their own traditions and values. For many non-Western societies, modernization represents both a promise and a challenge. It offers the allure of economic growth and improved living standards, but also carries the risk of cultural homogenization and social disruption. The story of modernization in non-Western societies is a complex tapestry of resilience, adaptation, and negotiation between tradition and change. Section 4, Transformation in Action: Economic, Social and Political Shifts. Modernization brings tangible changes to societies. It reshapes economies, transforms social structures, and alters politics. Economically, it shifts from agrarian to industrial economies. Traditional farming gives way to mass production and global trade. New industries create jobs and opportunities, but this transition has challenges. It can lead to inequality, displacement, and environmental issues. Socially, modernization changes how people live and work. Urbanization accelerates as people seek opportunities in cities. Traditional family structures are challenged by new ideas. Education systems expand to meet new societal demands. Politically, modernization often leads to more democratic systems. These transformations define modernization. Section 5. The Machine Age: Industrialization and Technology's Global Reach. At the heart of modernization lies the engine of industrialization, fueled by groundbreaking technological advancements. The invention of new machines, from the steam engine to the computer, revolutionized production processes, transportation, and communication. The impact of industrialization transcended national borders, spreading its influence from the West to the rest of the world. Western nations leveraged their industrial might to expand their economic and political influence, often at the expense of less developed countries. The introduction of Western technologies in non-Western societies brought about a mixed bag of consequences. It led to improvements in infrastructure, healthcare, and communication, but also disrupted traditional industries and created economic dependencies. The story of industrialization and technology transfer is a complex narrative of innovation, exploitation, and the uneven distribution of benefits and burdens. Section 6. The Western allure, chasing shadows or embracing light. The rise of the West as a global power, fueled by industrialization and technological advancement, projected an image of modernity that held immense allure for many non-Western societies. The West, with its perceived prosperity, freedom and progress, became a model to emulate. Some countries sought to replicate Western political systems, adopting democratic ideals and institutions. Others embraced Western fashion, music and consumer culture, seeing it as a symbol of modernity and sophistication. However, this emulation of the West was not without its critics. Some argued that it led to cultural imperialism, eroding traditional values and replacing them with Western ideals. The allure of the West highlights the complexities of modernization and the challenges of balancing the desire for progress with the preservation of cultural identity. Section 7. Charting our course. Navigating the tides of modernization. Modernization, like a powerful current, continues to shape the world we live in. It presents both opportunities and challenges, promises and pitfalls. As we navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world, it is crucial to approach modernization with a critical and discerning eye. Blindly embracing Western models of development without considering local contexts and cultural sensitivities can lead to unintended consequences. The key lies in finding a balance, in forging a path to modernity that is both inclusive and sustainable. This requires embracing innovation while preserving cultural heritage, promoting economic growth while ensuring social equity, and harnessing the power of technology while mitigating its potential risks. The journey of modernization is about embracing a process of continuous learning, adaptation, and transformation.